Now, I made this and a couple others for some guys that are doing a team cosplay over in San Diego Comic-Con this year. And before I send these out, I just wanted to examine these in a little more detail. This was always the hardest part of the costume for me. This was always the toughest piece. So I used to have a seamstress make these individually. And this is actually cast on a hand-sewn abdomen plate. You can see the individual stitches, you can see the lining, you can see all of the stitching. This is not a stitched piece, this is a cast piece. You can see a layer of burlap that's going to keep this really strong. I mean, you can tug on this, you can play tug-of-war on this, and you will not tear this thing. This is cast urethane. It's just a flexible resin. So this is actually not rubber, this is resin. So there's a layer that goes down first to get this really nice beauty coat. I still can't get over this, like all the wrinkles that are in this. Look at this. And then another coat is put on, and then a layer of burlap, and then that's all sandwiched together with one more final layer of rubberized urethane. And then you end up with this great cod piece. Now, if you go back and look at my tutorial from a few years ago, I show you how to attach straps down here with rivets, and another strap here, and another strap there. You attach parachute buckles, you do the whole thing. But this is just a really quick little simple video that shows you in detail what this cod piece abdomen cover is all about. Okay, there you go. Thanks for watching, and anyone that needs this piece for their Colonial Marine costume, feel free to contact me through the links in the description. Thanks for watching.